Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. As expected, we do have some rain moving back into the region this morning. It's going to start out pretty light and stay pretty light and not widespread in coverage through the morning, but the rain likely will kind of pick up in intensity and coverage as we move through the afternoon today. So the afternoon commute for most of us will be a little more affected than the morning commute, but we do have some rain right through the I-20 corridor this morning, which is affecting us in Marshall, Shreveport, over to Minden as well. Temperatures pretty mild. You can see the warm front, which is just south of Interstate 20 here, so the south wind kicking in behind the front. We're in the 60s here across Toledo Bend, Shreveport at 55. A little bit cooler across the northern Arklatex, but this front will kind of be pushing to the north as we move through the morning. So a couple things for watching. In addition to the rain, we do have some dense fog that's setting up north of I-30. Visibility in Idabel and DeQueen down to about a quarter mile, and seeing some fog even around Shreveport, even with the rain that is set up as well. So we are going to have some fog, some rain around for the morning commute, and your high temperatures a little bit later today. Most of us in the low to mid 60s, but again, the warm air holds a little more water, so we're going to see the potential for that rain to start to increase as we move through the day. We've got this area of low pressure. It's now moving inland, and it's eventually going to nudge all of this through the Arklatex as it continues to move off to the east here. So that's why we do expect a bit of an uptick in the rain as we move through the afternoon, but we'll take you through time here on your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. Shows the rain becoming a little more widely scattered as we continue through the morning here, and you can kind of pick out your spot this afternoon. You can see that Futurecast is kind of buying into some widespread rainfall, especially this afternoon into this evening. It doesn't look like it's going to be particularly heavy today the way things are looking now, but we may see again some of those totals start to add up overnight and into tomorrow morning, and it looks like the final push of rain likely coming through early tomorrow, and then we should see the rain taper off Friday afternoon and for much of the day Saturday. So we do have at least a little bit of a dry period to enjoy here as well, but we do expect to see some thunderstorms return late in the weekend. Here's a look. I'll show you a couple different forecast models. This is the GFS, or the American model, which is showing some 1 to 2 inch accumulations with some of the rainfall out there today, and then adding up what we'll see early next week. It's still kind of averaging those 1 to 2 inch amounts with those isolated spots in yellow there. That would be indicating maybe 2 to 4 inches of rain just south of us. And then the Weather Prediction Center, they put this out every morning, and they're showing again about 1 to 3 inches of rain, with the heaviest rain over Arkansas and Louisiana. So there's still some uncertainty as far as where the heaviest rain will fall and how heavy that rain will be, but it is a little bit of good news that the models have us under those 4-inch totals for the most part, because we do have a lot of rain in the 7-day forecast. Again, showers today, tomorrow morning. We'll get a break Friday into Saturday, but rain and storms will pick back up on Sunday. Monitoring what may be the potential for some severe storms, especially across northeast Texas, Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, and then the cold front will move through the Arklatex Monday. Should see the rain taper off late in the day. We'll get a little bit of a break Tuesday, but it appears some rain headed back our way for the middle of next week.